Welcome to a game-changing solution for all digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners out there. Today, we're diving into the world of targeted traffic and discovering how the new StoreYa traffic booster can revolutionize your online presence. Let's face it, in the digital world, traffic isn't just numbers, it's potential customers, real people interested in what you offer. But here's the kicker. Not all traffic is created equal. What you really need is targeted traffic, which converts at a much higher rate because it's filled with people who are looking for exactly what you have. With just a few clicks, StoreYa's traffic booster handles everything from campaign creation to optimization. Stay tuned as we break down how this tool not only simplifies your marketing efforts, but also maximizes your results. Let's first understand why targeting the right traffic is so crucial. Every business has a unique audience, but the challenge is reaching that audience amidst the noise of the digital world. Not all visitors are equal because not all will engage with your content or products in the way you need them to. Think of it this way. Targeted traffic is like having a storefront in the perfect neighborhood. The people walking by are already interested in what you have to offer, which increases the likelihood of them stepping in and making a purchase. This is what StoreYa's traffic booster aims to achieve for your online presence. It's about drawing in the crowd that is already looking for what you're selling. Let's delve into the nuts and bolts of how the StoreYa traffic booster actually works. The traffic booster uses advanced algorithms to analyze your business, target market, and objectives to create highly effective advertising campaigns across major platforms like Google Ads and Bing. Here's the process. First, you provide some basic information about your business and the specific goals you aim to achieve. This could be increasing sales, boosting registrations, or simply driving more high-quality traffic to your site. It designs personalized campaigns tailored just for your business, utilizing keywords and ad placements that reach your target audience at the right time. But it doesn't stop there. Traffic Booster continuously optimizes these campaigns. It analyzes the performance data in real time and makes adjustments to ensure your ads are always performing at their peak. This means better use of your budget and higher returns on your investment. Getting started with StoreYa Traffic Booster is surprisingly simple. Here's how you can kickstart your journey to increase traffic and better conversions. The setup process is designed to be user-friendly and quick, ensuring that even those new to digital advertising can easily navigate through. First, you'll begin by filling out a straightforward form. This form asks for your business details, such as your website URL, the products or services you offer, and your main advertising goals. Whether you're looking to increase sales, drive more inquiries, or boost online visibility, specifying your objectives helps tailor the campaigns right from the start. After your form submission, the Traffic Booster takes this information and starts crafting your advertising strategy. It selects the best ad networks and placements based on your business type and goals. StoreYa Traffic Booster doesn't just randomly place your ads. It strategically utilizes the most effective platforms to maximize your reach. Understanding where your ads are placed is crucial, as each platform can target different segments of your audience. With Google AdWords, your ads can appear right at the moment someone is searching for your products or services. This immediate visibility increases the likelihood of capturing interested buyers at the crucial decision-making point. Together, these platforms encompass a vast digital landscape, allowing your campaigns to reach a diverse audience. StoreYa's Traffic Booster smartly navigates these platforms, ensuring that your ads not only reach but resonate with the right people, turning views into visits and visits into valued customers. Now that your campaigns are live and reaching your target audience, StoreYa's Traffic Booster isn't just about launching campaigns, it's about seeing real, tangible results. This is where the dashboard comes into play, a user-friendly interface designed to give you a comprehensive view of your campaign performance at a glance. The dashboard displays key metrics such as clicks, impressions, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition. These metrics are crucial for understanding the effectiveness of your campaigns and making data-driven decisions. Each metric is presented in a clear, easy-to-understand format, allowing you to quickly assess what's working and what might need tweaking. But it's not just about the numbers. The dashboard also offers insights and suggestions based on your campaign data. These insights can guide you to optimize your strategies, such as adjusting your targeting, changing your ad copy, or increasing your budget in areas that are performing well. With this tool, you're not just observing, you're constantly improving, ensuring that every dollar you invest is working its hardest for your business. In this comparative analysis, we will look at some of the key features that differentiate the Traffic Booster from its competitors, focusing on its tailored approach, real-time optimization, and expert management. Firstly, unlike many generic ad services that apply a one-size-fits-all strategy, StoreYa's Traffic Booster customizes each campaign based on the specific needs and goals of your business. This personalization ensures that your ads are not just seen, but are seen by the right people, which significantly increases conversion rates. Secondly, the real-time optimization feature of the Traffic Booster continuously adjusts your campaigns based on incoming data. This means your ads are always performing optimally, adapting to changes in consumer behavior and market trends, a feature that many other platforms either lack or offer at a higher cost. Lastly, the expert management provided by StoreYa sets it apart. While other services may leave you to manage your campaigns on your own, or require expensive fees for expert oversight, StoreYa includes expert campaign management as part of the service, ensuring that your campaigns achieve the best results without additional costs. As we wrap up our exploration of the StoreYa Traffic Booster, it's clear that this tool isn't just about driving traffic, it's about driving the right traffic that grows your business. If you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, visit the StoreYa website today to learn more and to start your journey with Traffic Booster. Remember, in the digital marketing world, opportunity doesn't wait. Take action now, boost your traffic, and watch your business thrive.